Your wrists and hands both suffer strain from extended periods spent sitting at a computer, but an ergonomic keyboard can provide much-needed relief. These keyboards aim for better ergonomics to create a more comfortable typing experience. The best ergonomic keyboards actively prevent hand and wrist ailments with clever, human-centric designs. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the Kensington Pro Fit Ergo wireless keyboard. It is a comfort-focused keyboard designed for users who spend hours at the desk. Built with split and sloped keys, it also features adjustable reverse tilt for a neutral alignment of your hands, wrists, and forearms. Moreover, its keys are quiet and spill-proof. Connectivity options include 2.4 GHz via an included adapter and Bluetooth 4.0 LE. This split and sloped keyboard come with adjustable reverse tilt positions, hands, wrists, and forearms for comfort and neutral alignment. Additionally, it uses quiet keys, which means typing is smooth, easy, and non-disruptive. Next up on the list, we have the esso Trueform 150. 3-color illuminated ergonomic keyboard. It is designed with a split key zone and a gently sloped shape, encouraging the natural positioning of your hands, wrist, and forearms in maximum comfort for extended use. With its eye-soothing, backlit keys that can be switched between 3 colors with one touch of a key, it will increase productivity during the night or in dimly lit environments. Its multifunctional built-in hotkeys, you get speedy access to your media controls, email, internet browser, and other typical applications. The keys are designed with membrane key switches that provide a quieter, faster response and stand up to long-term usage. Plus, the gentle illumination allows you to work comfortably, day or night, while easing eye strain. Up next on the list, we have the Kinesis Freestyle 2 ergonomic keyboard. It has a unique ergonomic design, supporting typists with posture when consistently typing for prolonged periods. This keyboard allows wrists and hands to be comfortable and natural, typing to minimize the risk of developing future complaints, such as repetitive strain injury. Reducing arm twisting differentiates itself from other split keyboards on the market by allowing both sides of the keyboard to be separated, ensuring this design is entirely user-friendly. It uses a custom membrane key switch that features a low activation force and tactile feedback to reduce finger fatigue, impact, and strain. Customize the keyboard module's position with adjustable split, splay, and tenting to achieve natural positions for your hands, wrists, and forearms to reduce static muscle tension and strain. The wireless keyboard K350 from Logitech is a wireless keyboard for use with Windows-based computers. It uses the included Logitech unifying receiver, which plugs into an available USB port to communicate with your computer sans wires. This receiver can also be used with other compatible Logitech wireless input devices, eliminating the need to use a separate receiver or keyboard and mouse. This keyboard uses high-frequency 2.4 GHz technology, which removes dropouts, delays, and interference. It is built with a contoured wave design, designed to compensate for the varied length of your fingers. A contoured palm rest provides extra typing comfort. Its multimedia controls and programmable F keys let you better control your computer. The keyboard can operate for up to 3 years between battery changes. Plus, the curved profile has a familiar shape and consistently sized keys, so you can type with comfort and confidence without relearning how to type. The next product on the list is the Microsoft Sculpt keyboard. It is built for ergonomic comfort and efficiency. The keyboard has a contoured keyset, cushioned palm rest, palm lift, and adjustable keyboard legs to provide optimal support. The spacebar is also more significant than that found on standard keyboards and is split with a backspace bar on the left-hand side. Besides, it is compatible with PCs running Windows 8, RT, or 7. Moreover, the cushioned palm rest provides support and promotes a neutral wrist position. It offers reverse tilt angles on the keyboard to develop a straight neutral wrist position. It's built on advanced ergonomic principles, incorporating a split keyboard layout to position the wrists and forearms in a natural, relaxed position. On the other hand, it has a cushioned palm rest to provide wrist support and a domed keyboard shape to reduce wrist pronation. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Logitech Ergo K350 wireless ergonomic keyboard. This keyboard has been engineered to improve your typing posture, provide more wrist support, reduce strain, and even reduce your upper trapezius muscle activity. It is molded with a convex curve in the middle of the keyboard, right where the keys themselves are split and angled away from each other. The keyboard is both Windows and Mac compatible, connecting to your computer of choice using Bluetooth 5.0 LE technology via an included USB Type-A Bluetooth receiver. It is powered by two AAA batteries, which can provide you with up to 2 years of battery life. A built-in battery indicator light lets you know when you need to recharge or replace the batteries. Plus, it lets you easily switch between computers with the touch of a button. Or if you own a Logitech Flow mouse, you can flow between them. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.